Just so we clear, we are a little bit on fakes when it comes to these reactions. You already know, so let's get to it. Sheesh. Oh, he said y'all next. What y'all gonna do? I can't do nothing. Oh, he said I'm out. You are such a hater. Oh wow, Gawk knows, the daggers know, and the priest knows. Bro, she ain't dead, chill. Oh, he a hater. Nice. No chest. Whoa. That's the power of the Vatican for you. Sheesh. Bro, she's unconscious. This nigga. Housewife. Poor thing. Poor thing. What you gonna do? It's come to our attention, there is a snitch. Everybody, you getting checked? Oh, he blind. Bro, everybody getting checked, bro. No questions. Oh, he has some authority. But calm down. That's a very dangerous thing. He said in there manly. She's human too. Well, half human. And he said, man, this is our hood. Bruh, you ain't been doing nothing. Vince, you're next. He ain't here. Bro, you sound too creepy, bro. That's impossible. Vince, you don't need. Oh, Rocky's in danger. Your boy Toy's in danger. Murder. Sheesh. Oh, we hear a roar. I mean, it's one eye. Damn, Rocky. How did you dodge that? Oh, damn. Oh, dude. He's just fresh meat. He says, we're men. Your fingers got cut. Daggers. Whoa. Said, man, this is our hood. There, you're still nerved. Damn, Golf. That gave me a sword. And it can use swords. Oh, the bus. You throw it at it. Oh, it speaks English. Uh-oh, Yoma hunting season. Hey, at least he got balls. He ain't got no hoe in his hands. Jeez. Oh, damn, player. It speaks. That's not the case now, is it? I mean, is she gonna die? Even. Go. Nice. Like Swiss cheese, my guy. Of course. I mean, y'all humans. Y'all not human. I can hold a good scrap. Oh. Oh, shit. Finish him. Just let me go. Damn. Another one. The armless. It's not there. She activated takeover. She split in two. Come on, bro. They'll get a hard on. Uh-oh. The after effects. She's convulsing. Yeah, so you are weak right now. But with the power of friendship, we can do anything. Hair, don't do it. Bro, he about to cry. Sheesh. Bro, he's showing love. Talk no jutsu, Claymore style. Sheesh. Aww. Bro, I mean, you're not getting laid. Oh shit, what is this? Hug. So, a hug saved you. Facts. It was suppressed. Oh boy. Compassion. Aww. My heart. Sheesh. It may not be a Claymore great sword, but it is what it is. Yeah, Brad. Learn how to fight. Learn how to be a man. Bro, you don't hold swords like that. So, Claire was checking the clergymen and the soldiers, but couldn't find the Yoma anywhere. So, as Claire previously stated, Yoma could be anywhere within a dog, a cat, a man, a woman, child, even the elderly. Hell, even in a dead corpse. The crazy part is, Rocky was sitting next to said dead corpse, and the Yoma appeared out of nowhere, out of thin air, like he's been hiding there. The crazy part is, the Yoma kind of distinctly look like clergyman Vincent. Like, it's just, I don't know, that's what I noticed. Like it looked like Vincent, but at the exact same time, he didn't. So apparently, that Yoma was wielding a sword, and pretty much a battle ensues between Gawk, old dude with the daggers, and Claire being nerfed. So apparently, the bust of a praying woman contained Claire's great sword, and the Yoma was like shook. He was hella shook. It's like, Claymore. Oh, yes, bro. Yes. You thought she was just some assassin ready to kill you, like she didn't know what she was. Like, bro, it got serious to the point where Claire was straining herself. Rocky was in his feelings. Gawk was like, bro, oh, we gonna die. So after Claire found out that the Yoma could move his vitals, she also found out that his head is also his weak point. So the moment when her nerf was about to end, her debuff, she split the Yoma in two, to the point where her Yoma aura started suppressing her human side, and her human side was literally fighting for dear life. And she was like, look, bro, like, while I'm still human, like what I did to my homegirl, you got to kill me. Rocky, being the kindly little brother that he is, was like, look, sister, you and I are gonna die together. Like, if you go, I go. I got nothing to live for. But in actuality, for some unknown reason, it looked like Claire's Yoma aura was suppressed, thanks to the power of love and compassion and a free hug. So Gawk and old dude are like, sheesh, so she was saved. Faithfully does work in mysterious ways. So the Archbishop agreed to take Rocky in. Claire took the drug again, just to seem human, won't cause a scene, as it should. So Gawk gives him a sword. It's like, look, bro, get strong, lift weights, become a real man. Like, dog, you need to learn how to fight. You can't just stand on the sidelines. You're a supporting character after all. So anyway, comment down below what y'all like to see me react to next. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and share. U.D.D is out. Peace.